Alright, we're going to look at another function here, and we're going to be finding the X and Y intercepts. So we're going to do the same t-chart and kind of do the same thing we've done for the other examples here. So let's draw in our t-chart. And first we'll find the y-intercepts, and that's when x is 0. So we're going to plug in 0 in for the x. So 3 times 0 minus 5 over 2 times 0 plus 7. So that gives you negative 5 over 7, and that's our y-intercept. So usually with all of these, finding the y-intercepts, kind of the easy thing. Okay. Now when we find the x-intercept, or intercepts possibly, this one's only going to have one, we're going to use the fact that if we have a fraction, a non-zero fraction, equals to 0, I guess it doesn't matter if it's a zero fraction. Anyways, we're going to multiply both sides by b to undo the denominator there, and we get a is equal to 0. So what that means is if you have a fraction equal to 0, then that means that happens when the numerator is equal to 0. So you can use that idea, or I'll show you, you can just clear the fraction. So remember, when we're looking for the y-intercept, that means, not the y-intercept, when we're looking for the x-intercept, that means the y is 0. Well, y is f of x, so you're going to replace the entire f of x with 0. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and solve here. So you have the function 3x minus 5 over 2x plus 7. That's equal to 0. Now, if I use my idea over here that a over b equals 0, all I'd have to do is solve 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. But I'll show you that you can actually just go ahead and clear the fractions like we have in the past here. So we'll multiply both sides by the common denominator, which is just the 2x plus 7. And so the 2x plus 7 times 0 is 0. And we'll have these 2x plus 7s absorb. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and solve this now. 0 is equal to 3x minus 5. We'll go ahead and add 5 to both sides and then divide by 3. So there's adding 5 and then dividing by 3, so then we still get the 5 over 3. Okay.